the Delhi Chief Minister. ED has now accused Arvind Kejriwal of binging on sweets to get medical bail in the excise policy scam. India Today has exclusively accessed Arvind Kejriwal's diet chart. Delhi Chief Minister has been consuming potatoes and sugary fruits also and mangoes like in jail, even bananas though. Remember, the Delhi Chief Minister is highly diabetic, leading the ED to question if Arvind Kejriwal is deliberately eating these things to raise his blood sugar levels. BJP, however, has not missed an opportunity to target the Chief Minister over his special diet in jail, saying that after Sharab Ghotala, Arvind Kejriwal is now into a sugar Ghotala.
This is an issue made by ED so that this home-cooked food also should be stopped. This concerns the health. We are very concerned, and whatever he is taking is as per the doctor's prescription. Otherwise, the matter is sub judice. We don't want.
Sir, ED's counsel was saying that he is having mango sweets and tea with sugar in the prison. Is that correct?
Whatever he is having is as per the doctor's prescribed diet.
शराब घोटाले के बाद अब शुगर घोटाला। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का एक घोटाला और सामने आया जब उन्होंने अपनी बेल याचिका लगाई और ये कहा कि मेरा शुगर लेवल बहुत बढ़ गया है, मैं डायबिटिक हूं और मुझे तुरंत जेल से बाहर निकाला जाए। ईडी का सनसनीखेज खुलासा सामने आता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जेल में जानबूझकर मीठी चीजें खा रहे हैं, आम खा रहे हैं, तली चीजें खा रहे हैं, मीठी चाय पी रहे हैं, जबकि वो डायबिटिक 2 हैं, जिनको ये चीजें कभी नहीं खानी चाहिए। वो ऐसा इसलिए कर रहे थे ताकि उनकी शुगर लेवल बढ़ जाए और इस तरह से करके मैनिपुलेट करके वो जेल से बाहर आए। आज से पहले आपने यह तो सुना होगा कि हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल्स जो होते हैं वो जेल से बाहर निकलने के लिए ऐसी मोडस ऑपरेंडी इस्तेमाल करते हैं। अरविंद केजरीवाल एक सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं और अपने आप को ईमानदार बताते हैं, लेकिन इस हद तक क्रिमिनल माइंडेड हैं कि जेल से बाहर निकलने के लिए ऐसे वो घोटाले कर रहे हैं।
Shrishti is getting asked more details on that story. Shrishti, the ED has said categorically that this isn't what a diabetic should be eating because the food is coming from home. It clearly is an attempt to raise his blood sugar levels, then to say that I'm not well and that I need to get out of jail.
Well, definitely, Sneha, that's a big claim that has come from the Enforcement Directorate. And it's also important because, as we know, Arvind Kejriwal had himself very recently filed a petition before Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, saying that his sugar level keeps fluctuating, which is why he should be allowed to consult his own doctor virtually from behind bars at least thrice a week. Now, his lawyers today told court that he's decided to withdraw that plea. They'll file a better petition after withdrawing. But ED decided to inform court and make these claims, saying that considering Arvind Kejriwal is in court's custody as of now, he's also, his betterment, his well-being is also court's responsibility. ED has claimed that despite a diet being prescribed to him by the doctors, Arvind Kejriwal is on purpose consuming food products which have high sugar content, so his sugar level increases. So later on he can take the grounds of bail, medical bail, and use that as a ground to get medical bail eventually. So that's a big claim from ED. However, Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers have clearly stated that he's only consuming what has been prescribed by the doctor, and ED is making these false claims only to ensure that the home-cooked food that is being provided to the Chief Minister as of now is not permitted by the court. Now, the court has clearly stated that it will go through both reports. First, it has sought a report from the jail authorities as to what is the diet that he's consuming, and secondly, the court has asked Kejriwal's lawyers to provide them with the prescribed diet which the doctor had prescribed. So the court has clearly said today that they will be comparing what Arvind Kejriwal is consuming to what he was prescribed to eat, and the matter has been posted for hearing tomorrow once again, and that is when the court will consider the reports that will be submitted by both parties. It will be important to see whether or not the court decides to pass any order, because remember, it was the court's order because of which Arvind Kejriwal is even able to get home-cooked food inside Tihar jail right now. So it will be a crucial hearing, and it will be important to see what the court says. Back to you.
All right. Thanking you for the moment for getting us up to speed with those details, Shrishti Oja. With that interesting twist in the tale as far as the Delhi Chief Minister is concerned.